Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage kofta. First, finely shred one medium cabbage and set it aside. Next, gather your dry ingredients, 1 cup of gram flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Don't forget your aromatics, 1 onion, 2 green chilies, and a small piece of ginger, all finely chopped. Finally, have your essential spices, including turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala, ready to go. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your shredded cabbage with the chopped onion, green chilies, and ginger. Add the gram flour, rice flour, and all your spices. Mix everything thoroughly using your hands. The cabbage will release enough moisture, so avoid adding extra water at first. Once combined, form small, firm balls, each about 1.5 inches in diameter. It's time to fry these delicious kofta. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan over medium heat. You want the oil to reach about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Carefully drop the kofta balls into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them in batches until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Once fried, carefully remove the kofta and drain them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. You can serve these delightful cabbage kofta hot as a standalone snack, perhaps with a tangy mint chutney for dipping. Alternatively, incorporate them into a rich, flavorful curry sauce for a complete meal. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro adds a lovely touch and enhances the presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.